Ang update mula dito sa Zamboanga City. Samantala, balik muna tayo sa studio.
Okay, maraming salamat, Ivan. Kaugnay pa rin ang krisis sa Zamboanga City. Makakaparayan po natin Brigadier General Domingo Tutaan Jr., ang tagapagsalita po ng AFP. General Tutaan, good morning po.
Igan, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat.
So sa akin po, ano pong pwede natin paglalarawan sa gulo sa Zamboanga? Na-contain na po ba natin? At ika nga, lumiit na ho ba ang mundo ng MNLF?
As you can see, makikita natin, Igan, no, na tuloy-tuloy ang ating calibrated response. No?
Opo.
And makikita natin na because of this, ang dami ng mga civilians na dati ay mga hostages o were held against their will, na rescue na natin. We were saying yesterday that of the several hours, almost a day efforts ng Sanggatahan Lakas, mga 124 hostages ang na-rescue natin.
Opo.
So, at in the evening last night, ang nangyayari ngayon is may mga packets of firefight. No, I mean, not exactly firefight, but sporadic fires from the remnants ng MNLF Miswari faction. And
Ilan pa ho ba MNLF ang hinahabol natin dyan?
Igan, that estimate is still being continuously assessed. No? But,
okay.
Kasi explain natin, kasi this is not a simple mathematics na we started kasi na 200 to 300 ang estimate natin nila noong day 1 or day 2 ng incident na to. And binabawas din natin dyan na Igan yung mga na-capture natin, na-arrest o yung mga sinamampalad naman yung namatay. But we really do not have an exact head count number.
Okay.
But the best estimate. So we probably are estimating right now is still less than 100. But mahirap to kasi these are pa-isa-isa na lang o ganito. Kaya talagang puspos ang ating calibrated response. And we want to make sure that of the less than 100 or so na rin hostages, talagang wala na, nakuha na natin lahat, na-rescue na natin lahat.
Yun sa panig po na civilian, yung mga hostage sila, may estimate din kayo, General?
Yes, we're estimating it to a little lower than 100 again. No?
100 din po.
Okay. But there's a big difference now because malaki na yung number na nakuha natin. Last night, we were assessing it but we do not want to put it yung estimate natin kasi is we don't have to have we want a false sense of security.
Okay. General, sa ngayon po, mga magkano na ho ang nagagastos ng gobyerno sa krisis na ito sa Zamboanga City?
Igan, I do not have exact figures on that, no? But as far as the AFP is concerned, ang ating talagang suporta sa ating ground troops has been very, talagang binigay natin lahat ng kailangan nila.
Okay.
Both on the administrative side at sa logistics side, no? And we're estimating that we will have that in the post-conflict after report natin.
Pero pag ganitong military operation dyan, per day ho, mga magkano ho nagagastos dyan?
I cannot estimate that really from hindsight. Kasi marami yan. Andyan yung bala, andyan yung man-hours, andyan yung exchange, yung pagkain.
Pero aabot ng ₱1,000,000 yan bawat araw, ano?
I would say so. Siguro. That will be definitely. Because the number of units lang, yung pagkain lang yan is already amount of that. But suffice it to say, Igan, na talagang yung ating tropa doon ay well supported on this. Pati yung administrative needs nila, we are looking into it so that they will be concentrated on our calibrated response against the Miswari faction.
Dumadami ang napapalaya, kumukonti yung MNLF. So, within this week ba, General Tutaan, makakahinga na po ng normal ang mga taga-Zamboanga?
Yes, talaga, no? Yan ang ating talagang ina-achieve ngayon, no?
Opo.
Tanggal natin yan. But it's still, that is still a process of clearing. Kasi maraming Igan na ito-consider natin yung mga UXOs, yung UXO or unexploded ordnance, at saka possibly mga IED. We want na bago bumalik yung mga evacuees natin in the areas na likas na mga civilian, bago sila bumalik, it is really safe. But that is a simultaneous effort na ginagawa natin. Yung areas na clear na natin o yung hawak ng gobyerno, government now, ay ginagawa natin yan. In some areas that we believe na andun pa yung MNLF faction, talagang pinupuspos pa natin ang calibrated response natin.
Okay, ceasefire out of the question, General?
I'm sorry?
Yung ceasefire, wala na yan, out na yan sa...
The ceasefire should come from the one firing.
Okay.
Okay, nagpapaputok igan is the MNLF Visuari.
Yung yung binabanggit na Kabatangan Formula, out na rin yan.
The Kabatangan Formula is a different situation, igan, at that time. The 2001 incident.
Hindi naman sila namaril no?
No, and that was an initial, tapos after that, tumigil, then there was negotiation, then the workers agreed to.
Oo.
But itong ceasefire nga, hindi naman igan kasi ang nagsisimula ng putok in the past few days
Okay.
is the AFP because we were calibrating our response kasi yung mga civilian na talagang ginagamit na human shield.
Apo.
Makikita naman natin sa revelation ng mga hostages na papuputok ka tapos ihaharang sila sa harapan nila.
Apo.
So how can we return fire? How can we say mag-ceasefire tayo?
Okay.
They have to be the one to lay down their arms or stop firing, release all hostages. Ganun sana, but hindi yun ang ginawa ng Miswa.
Okay. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po yung ating mga sundalo, pati na yung kasama nilang mga police. General, salamat po. Good morning.
Igan, maraming salamat.
Brigadier General Domingo Tutaan Jr., ang tagapagsalita po ng AFP.